Okay, children, good morning. See, we have completed our comprehension and question 1, 2, and 3 also, that frame sentence and all that. Question 1, that is new words, then frame sentence on, and true false. Okay, now I am going to read this life skill values from this book. See, what will you do if a dog runs after you? Children, you should stop. Okay, don't run if the dog runs after you. Then it is right to hurt animals. Why or why not? No, it is not right to hurt animals because they are also living being. Okay, though they are not human being, but they are also living, and we should not hurt them because they cannot talk like us. Okay, वो हमारी तरह बोल नहीं सकते हैं, है ना, बट बेजान नहीं है, उनको भी जान, उनमें भी जान होती है. सो दे ऑल्सो फील, दे ऑल्सो हर्ट. इफ़ यू विल हर्ट देम, they become very sad and they also have to bear that sorrow, bear that pain. Okay, उनको भी दर्द होता है. That's why we should not hurt them. Okay, do you think every neighborhood should have an animal or pet clinic? Why? Why not? Of course, every neighborhood should have an animal or pet clinic because it is very important. जो एनिमल्स को लगता है तो वी कांट डू एनीथिंग, है ना, हमें भी कुछ पता नहीं चलता है उन्हें क्या हो रहा है. दैट्स वाई it is very good idea to have an animal or pet clinic so that we can take that animal to cure his or his that injury. Okay, अगर वो बीमार होता है, उसे कुछ हो जाता है या लग जाता है ऐसे पार्क में खेलते या कहीं, तो हम उसे तुरंत, जैसे हम लोग इंसान लोगों को अस्पताल लेके जाते हैं, इन द सेम वे वी कैन take that animal in animal और पेट क्लिनिक. ओके, इसलिए वो होना चाहिए. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट you can open your page number 51, children. See, some options are given to you and here some pictures are given to you. So from that help box you can complete that, fill in the blanks. Bench, merry-go-round, then monkey bars, then sand pit and seesaw, then slide, swings and trees. Okay, so you can identify everything. This is monkey bar. ये क्या होता है? monkey bar. This is swing. So you can write their spelling of swing. This is slide. Okay, one is trees. ये क्या होता है? That is for trees. Okay, then fifth one is for bench. Then next is, this is for, what is this? merry-go-round. Then this is seesaw and this is sand pit. Sand pit मतलब इसमें सारा sand होता है, आप वहाँ पर खेल सकते हो. sand pit. Okay, so next is also very easy, as we have learnt our grammar topic one and many. One bottle, many bottles. Okay, so one ball, many bottles. It is very easy. One dog, many dogs. In the same way we can write s लगा के apple, apples. So book, books. Cat, that cat is single, so pencil. Okay, next is cup, flowers, stars and truck. ओके, जो सिंगुलर चीज़ें उन्हें ऐसे ही लिखो विदाउट एस, एंड जो प्लूरल थिंग्स है यू शुड पुट देयर एस आफ्टर दैट वर्ड. ओके, बट वाइल पुटिंग दैट एस और यस और एनी रूल्स यू शुड फॉलो दैट. जो सिंगुलर में आपको रूल्स पढ़ाए हैं, यू शुड फॉलो दैट. ओके, इन दिस वे यू कैन राइट दोज थिंग्स इन दिस वे. वन एप्पल. ओके, यहाँ एप्पल से तो वन एप्पल. देन इन द सेम वे वी कैन राइट दैट. सी, books, one book, many books. One cat, many cats. In this way you can write here. Okay, next this is, and that is, this also very easy for you, as we have learnt in our grammar. This is my dog. Okay, that is my brother's dog. That brother's apostrophe shows you belonging of anything. Okay, and when, see here it is given to you that we use these to talk about a thing near us. Okay, and next when we use that we use that is to talk about a thing far away. Okay, the thing that is far away from us, we can talk that for them, we can say that to them. Okay, next is, see here this is and that is, you should write that. This is this is में क्या क्या चीज़ this is है, you can say is a rug. Rug कहाँ पर है? This is a rug. And then book is also near to that girl, so this is a book. This is then book. Okay, then is a toy train. That toy train is little bit far away from this doll, so we can say that is a toy train. Okay, that is a side table. That side table is there, so that is, then that is a, okay, here all things it is this is a toy train. Toy train को भी this लिखना है. Then everything in this column we should write there. That is a window. Window is also very far from that mother. Okay, then that is a cat. That cat is also sleeping far away. That is a bird. That bird is in the window. That is also far away. Okay, so listen to the sentence carefully. This is not for us. Okay, listening skill. Next, speaking. Then greet your friends parents. Greet your friends parents. आप अपने पेरेंट्स फ्रेंड के पेरेंट्स को ग्रीट कैसे करोगे? पुट अवे टू टॉयज आफ्टर प्लेइंग. ओके, यू कैन थिंक ऑफ सेंटेंस लाइक दिस. ग्रीट मतलब व्हाट्स द टाइम यू मेट देम, यू कैन ग्रीट इन दिस वे, गुड मॉर्निंग और गुड आफ्टरनून, वट एवर द टाइम मे बी अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. See here, there is one story in the form of this column A and B, and you have to write that correct sentences. One day all the animals at the farm, क्या होगा? Let us take care of sparrow. Think his wing. Okay, this is writing skill. You have to write all the sentences here by writing correctly. Okay, by matching that you should write all sentences on next page. Yes. One day all the animals at a farm, what happened? Found a baby sparrow who was hurt. सारे animals जो थे उनको farm पे एक baby sparrow मिला. Then his wing को क्या हो गया? उसके hurt हुआ होगा ना. So where is hurt? Was broken. Okay. The duck said, okay, all this we can match first, and after that we will write here. So children, first I am going to explain you question answers. Okay, then answer the questions. Whose idea was it to go to the park? It was whose idea? It was Adi and Anya's idea. Okay, so it was Adi and Anya's idea to go to the park. Okay, because they said mama to go to the park. Then what happened? Why did the children shout hooray? Why did children shout hooray? See, children here, the children shouted. Why you write it? Why we write here shouted? Because in question there is did, and that's why we have to make past tense of this shout, that becomes shouted. Understood? The children shouted hooray because mother allowed Bholu to go with them in the park. Next question I did not write here. What would have happened if Adi did not wait for the swing to stop? अगर आदि वो विंग को स्टॉप होने तक नहीं रुकता तो क्या होता? Adi would have hurt himself if he did not wait for swing to stop. आदि अपने आप को हर्ट कर लेगा अगर वो झूला बंद होने का वेट नहीं करता. Remaining 2 questions I am reading from my notebook because there is no space. That's why I did not write there. Okay. So who picked up a stone? किसने पत्थर उठाया था भोलू को मारने के लिए? That Roshan. Sorry, Rohan. Rohan picked up a stone. Okay. Why do you think Bholu listened to Anya? Bholu listened to Anya because he is Anya's pet. लास्ट में उसने जो बोला आन्या ने, गिव मी दैट बॉल, सो भोलू ने रिटर्न किया. व्हाई डिड ही लिसन टू आन्या? बिकॉज भोलू इज आन्याज पेट. वो किसका पेट था? आन्या का. दैट्स व्हाई ही लिसन आन्या. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, हियर वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर लेसन 6.